Welcome to the course on Spoken English. Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn about 10 vocabulary sentences used in the spices section of a supermarket. Cumin seeds are boiled with water and drunk as indigenous medicine for colds. Cumin, aromatic seeds of the cumin herb of the carrot family. Coriander seeds are available in whole dried form or ground. Coriander, a plant with seeds that are used as a spice and leaves that are used as a herb. Fennel leaves add distinction to any dish. Fennel, an aromatic herb that has edible seeds, leaves, and stems. Add a dash of cinnamon and a drop of coconut oil for flavor. Cinnamon, a flavorful spice that comes from the bark of a tree. Skim the soup to retrieve the cloves, anise and cinnamon stick. Cloves, small dried flower buds used as a spice. The sweet and spicy taste of cardamom is perfect for both savory and dessert dishes. Cardamom, a strong flavored spice that comes from the seeds of a plant. Fresh ginger root adds a spicy, zesty kick to stir-fries and teas. Ginger, the root of a plant that is used to flavor food. I like to sprinkle nutmeg on my coffee for extra flavor. Nutmeg, a spice made from the seed of a tree that grows in hot countries. I'm looking for both sweet and smoked varieties of paprika. Paprika, a bright red spice that's made from dried bell peppers. How long is the shelf life of these ground spices before they lose their flavor? Shelf life, the length of time for which an item remains usable. Remember, using these words in your daily activities will help you communicate more effectively and expand your vocabulary. Until we meet again, bye from Ria, take care and thank you. For any technical, non-technical, academic course developments and online classes, feel free to contact Alvin Design Technologies. The contact details are shown on the screen. Thank you.